One of the very big advantages of Warehouse Mobile is the fact that it's an app on App Source. So it exists on Microsoft Business Central, Microsoft App Source as a Business Central app. You download it in Business Central, and then you're actually ready to start. So even though you didn't purchase scanners yet to try out, you could just try it out directly in the Business Central client that I'm looking on here, to see how it works and if it fulfills your demands. So it's very easy in a sandbox environment. It takes 10 minutes, then you're up and running. You have to do a very little setup on warehouse employees, etc. But when you import the functionality, it automatically does the setup for the flows. So it literally takes 10 minutes to get up and running. This is all the flow for different apps, mobile, shop floor, warehouse, etc. that it downloads when you install the app. So basically you are able to get this window in 10 minutes without any cost because you have a 60 days trial period. So it's very, very easy to get started with a warehouse solution.